part 2 here. So I've done a quick little plot using the original data frame. GPA is x-axis, y is admit, not pred like we did up here. Okay, just throwing up the points and bingo, that's what we get. So this is what we're looking at. These are the actual reality. The previous plots, like this one, is predicted reality based on the model that we fed into our data. Okay, so this is what actually happened. So there are people who did get into grad school with a really crappy GPA. Not as many, perhaps. Okay, but there they are. So even though our model would predict a low GPA has a low probability of getting into grad school, that doesn't mean that it's impossible. Okay, so taking a look at that, let's see what some hypothetical students' chances of getting into grad school are. All right, so I'm going to make a new data frame. New data is data frame. And remember, I got to keep these the same, these column names. So I'm going to say GRE, GPA, and rank, because that was what was included in our model. GRE, GPA, and rank. So GRE equals concatenate, I don't know, 400, 500, 600, 700. So we'll look at 4 hypothetical people. All right. GPA equals concatenate 3.5, 2.5, 4, and 3.75. And then rank. I'm going to keep these all the same. Alright, let's go with 4. Yeah. 4, 4, 4. Alright, so this is looking at 4 hypothetical people. The first one got 400 on the GRE and had a 3.5 GPA. These are all at a rank 4 school. The second one had 500 GRE, 2.5 GPA. Alright, so let's take a look at new data. There they are. Okay, so I'm going to say add predictions. The data is new data. The model is good old mod 1 from before. And type equals response. Alright, here are the predicted probabilities of these people getting into grad school. 8% for this person. I think it's their GPA that's throwing them down. Alright, there's GRE 4% or 400, GPA 3.5. They got a 14% of getting in. Highest percent is person with high GPA and high GRE. And that's a 28% chance of getting into grad school. Alright, let's look over here. Somebody with a GPA of 3.75, boom, right in here. Alright, and if their GRE score was pretty high, I'm going to try to plot that real quick. Alright, so GRE of 700. Alright, so let's make a hypothetical best case super person. Somebody who got 800 on the GRE, 4.0 GPA, and came from a rank 1 school. Run that again. So there's our superhuman, little goody two-shoes student. Still has not 100% chance given our model, but a 74% chance.